Christy has a really good question I just wanted to hit. What if you don't have any design skills?
So like Stephen was saying about how, the t-shirt business has continued to develop and, make it easier to do screen printing, DTG printing, or however you want to actually get shirts to market.
Direct to garment.
Yeah, sorry. Just a type of printer that is used now to make shirts so quickly. It's the same thing with the creative world. I mean, there are programs out there. YouTube is where I learned how to do design through Photoshop, but there's also a ton of new tools and ways to actually get designs done. So you can, spend money and get someone to make you a design. That's a completely legit way of running a business, but you can also, again, just invest time into this. And hopefully you can see that will pay for itself if you invest the time to learn how to make designs. Also, kind of the crazy thing about selling t-shirts is the #1 best-selling t-shirts are always just text-based shirts. So if you can put text on a shirt and make that somehow emotionally connect with people or make people laugh, that's a really legit way of getting your shirt to sell and connect with the Amazon buyers.
Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. My name is Steven. This is my brother Nathaniel. Together we are the Wingman.
If you guys want to know more about anything that we talked about, check the description of this video.